Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So for this vlog, I'm gonna show you basically what I eat in a day, but just one of the meals. Every morning when I wake up, I have a coffee and a green juice, and I tend to do my workouts in the morning. And I like to work out on an empty stomach, so I just feel better and it burns more calories and it boosts your metabolism. So after a workout, I'm pretty hungry, and the first thing I have is the smoothie that I'm about to make. Let's get started. So first step is I'm gonna take half a cup of blackberries, one whole banana. Then I'm gonna take 1 pack of frozen acai, which I get at Whole Foods, half a cup of fresh blueberries. Then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and it's my favorite peanut butter on earth. It's called North Shore Goodies. It's from Hawaii, and it's made with coconut. It's incredible. Half a cup of oat milk. You can use any kind of milk, but I just prefer oat milk. And last but not least, I'm gonna do 1 beauty collagen shot. Then I'm just going to put the top on, easy peasy. Voila. I use the NutriBullet because I just think it's easiest to use. Look at these cute cups. There's 1 less cup I have to wash, and I'm ready to go. And that's that. Voila, super easy, super fast, and very good for you. The collagen shot I put in it is from a brand called Rejuvenated, and collagen just really helps your skin. It helps prevent wrinkles and dryness. And then with the berries I added, berries are really good at antioxidants and also very good for your skin. The banana is really good for potassium, for your overall health, magnesium, and then the peanut butter is a really good source of protein. So it's basically just chock full of things that are good for my skin and my body, and it makes me feel full after a workout. I don't have this every morning for breakfast. I switch it up again. Having the same thing over and over again could be like super repetitive and boring. So more breakfast ideas I will have coming to you soon. So yeah, let me know if you try it. It's actually so good.